How to read all chats on Instagram without scrolling. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how we can read all chats on Instagram without scrolling. So let's go on with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do so, head over and launch the Instagram application on your device. After that, go on to the chat that you want to look up the chat to without scrolling it up. So in order to do that, you can see the chat here on the screen right now. So let's say I don't want to scroll it up, like I have a lot of chat and I don't want to scroll it directly to the up by using my hand. Instead of that, I just want it to auto scroll. So unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have that built-in feature where you can use the app in order to auto scroll. But instead of that, what you can do is head over and download an app called Tap Scroll, which is easily available in Google Play Store and is free. After the installation is complete, just launch the application on your device. After that, you may just set it up on your device. So you're just gonna turn off on this option, and you need to give this accessibility service first from your own the main settings of a device. Head over to the main settings, it will directly take you there. You're gonna go ahead and click on this install app section. After that, click on Tap Scroll and turn on this option. Allow it and turn on your settings here. After that is done, head over to the Tap Scroll application again, and after the permission is given, you're just gonna turn on this option and you're gonna go ahead in the Instagram app. After that, just go ahead on the Instagram app and click on the chat that you want to enable the option to. After that is done, you're just gonna click on the upper right corner of your screen. After that is done, you will be directly taken to the upper side of the screen where you will be finding your old chats, from where you can manually scroll down and look over the chats from the beginning. So that's how you basically use that Tap Scroll app to look up for your chats by following those methods. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.